Are your Cximage application failing because of the Cximage Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Avoid long manual edits for Cximage Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Cximage Library, the Cximage Library core. It provides unmanaged C++ routines for loading, saving, and manipulating multiple image formats: BMP, JPEG, GIF, PNG. It facilitates the orchestration of visual manifests for applications with complex imaging needs. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Cximage is required by certain games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy runtime components, while GPU driver updates handle hardware-specific dependencies. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Cximage library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Remember that manual replacement of Cximage Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for Cximage Library references. To keep Cximage Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.